For centuries, humanity has grappled with two realms, the tangible world of science and the ethereal realm of spirituality. We built telescopes to map the stars and microscopes to unveil the secrets of cells, yet the deepest questions of existence lingered in the shadowy corners of faith and dogma. But what if these domains are not so separate after all? What if the universe speaks through both physics and the quiet stirrings of the soul? This is the exciting frontier where science and spirituality are partners in a grand cosmic dance. Perhaps nowhere is this convergence more apparent than in the mind-bending world of quantum mechanics. This branch of physics, which explores the very fabric of reality at its smallest scales, reveals a universe stranger and more wondrous than we ever imagined. Particles, once thought to be solid and predictable, now appear as shimmering waves of possibility, their behavior influenced by the very act of observation. Concepts like entanglement demonstrate an interconnectedness that transcends the boundaries of space and time, echoing ancient spiritual teachings about the interconnectedness of all things. The universe, it seems, is not a collection of separate objects, but a dynamic web of energy and information, constantly in flux, a notion that resonates deeply with spiritual traditions that speak of a universal life force or consciousness. Even the concept of empty space is challenged by quantum physics, instead revealing a seething cauldron of virtual particles popping in and out of existence, a cosmic dance of creation and annihilation that mirrors the cyclical nature of life and death so central to many spiritual beliefs. But the parallels don't stop at the quantum level. Cosmology, the study of the universe, offers intriguing connections. The Big Bang Theory speaks of pure potentiality exploding outward, aligning with creation myths worldwide. The finely tuned constants of nature hint at a cosmic blueprint, suggesting a divine architect. Whether we call it God, the universe, or the Great Mystery, contemplating space and time transcends religious doctrine. In these moments, the barriers between science and spirituality begin to dissolve. Your truth, your journey, the power of personal interpretation. It's important to remember that spirituality is ultimately a deeply personal experience. While science can provide a framework for understanding the universe, it's up to each individual to interpret its meaning and significance within the context of their own lives. Just as no two people will experience a piece of music in the exact same way, so too will our spiritual journeys be shaped by our unique experiences, beliefs, and values. We must be wary of those who claim to hold a monopoly on truth, whether they come from the pulpit or the laboratory. The beauty of this emerging paradigm is that it allows for a diversity of perspectives. We can embrace the insights of quantum physics without subscribing to a particular religious doctrine. We can find solace in ancient spiritual teachings without rejecting the scientific method. The key is to approach both science and spirituality with a sense of curiosity and open-mindedness, allowing ourselves to be transformed by the journey of discovery. Building your own bridge. Merging science and spiritual wisdom. This is not to say that all beliefs are created equal. Just as science relies on evidence and critical thinking, so too should our spiritual explorations be grounded in a healthy dose of discernment. Blind faith, whether in a religious dogma or a scientific theory, can be a dangerous thing. The challenge for the modern seeker is to develop a discerning mind, one that can sift through the vast sea of information and extract the nuggets of wisdom that resonate deeply within. It's about recognizing that our understanding of both the universe and ourselves is constantly evolving. We must be willing to let go of outdated beliefs, to question our assumptions, and to embrace new perspectives as they emerge. This is the essence of true growth, both intellectual and spiritual. By merging the insights of science with the wisdom of the ages, we can create a more holistic and meaningful understanding of ourselves and our place in the cosmos. The journey continues, a glimpse of what's to come. This exploration, this dance between science and spirituality, is just beginning. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe and the intricacies of our own consciousness, we are sure to uncover even more profound connections. The journey is yours to take. Embrace the wonder, challenge the dogma, and never stop asking questions. The universe, it seems, is full of surprises for those brave enough to seek them out. And who knows what wonders await us on this extraordinary adventure? The elevated path is calling.